Yo guys, what's up? Okay, we're doing a little bit more options management here. This is another account, my third TradeStation account that I have. You can see that here I have some Palantir stock options, and I have some calls at 26, so there's still a ton of premiums in there still. I'm just going to let that ride. We don't know what's going to happen the next couple days. It could go either way. But this 29 and a half, pretty sure it's not going to get back to 29 and a half. And you can see there's about 15, there's not a lot of premium left in it. So we're going to try rolling. Looks like we're getting some good option premiums. Go out a month. Ooh, 29 and a half is not available on the monthly option, so I'll go down to 29. And still get $1. Pretty good. Reducing our risk. Still making some money. I like it. So I'm going to shave a few cents off and see if that'll work. And it filled. I didn't get enough. Should have asked for more. My life story, right? Okay, now that 29 and a half is rolled down to 29. Let's see if we can work some magic with the 28. So look at that weekly option, 47 cents. Wow, that's good. $1.56. Let's try 27. Not as good. Not terrible. Let's try to go a little shorter. Not much difference. Shorter is always better if you can keep the premium. See, I just lost a bunch of premium. So I'll go back out and I'll go down one. So you asked for 53. Didn't take. Nobody's biting. And I'll shave off a few more cents. Looks like that filled. Okay, positions. Alright, you can see now we're at 27 put. There's about 42 cents of premium left in it. So I'm not sure how this is going to roll. A week for 57 cents, that's not bad. Let's go to the monthly. 167. Wow, that's amazing. Okay. If I can get that sold. Perfect. That's a good premium. Okay. So out of trouble with those now. It's April. These puts, I'm long because I had spreads on, so that money is gone. I had some calls, but they didn't work out either. Thought the price was really going to spike there for a minute. And this call still has a lot of premium in it, so I'm not going to do anything with that right now. Ozark Bank, really like that stock. It's a good long-term play. It's gone up substantially. I do have a stop loss on a couple hundred shares. I had 1,000 shares and I bailed out of a few just to maintain my gain. You can see here the Occidental Petroleum warrants that I have that they gave me. Really working out nice. So might have to cash some of those in. Okay, Nicola really hosed me. That Milton guy, accused of lying and fudging results. I'm still trying to work my way out of that stock option. You can see I've been rolling. I had to roll out the 50 out to April just to break even. Hopefully that stock will recover, but I doubt it. So we'll see how far I can manage those. I got another week before that 29.5 needs to be managed. Micron is doing actually pretty good. I'm not really sure what Micron's at right now, but it looks like it's probably pretty close. It's above 26.5, I'm guessing. Apple is currently at 125. I feel pretty good about Apple. If I have to take Apple at 123, I will take it and dollar cost average down for my 130 position. I really like the Apple stock, and I'm willing to take it. So, I'm just going to let it ride. So that's all the options in this account that I have to worry about for now. If you guys have any questions about managing options, let me know. Comment below if I can help you out with something, or send me a message. But I am not a financial advisor. This is only for entertainment purposes only. Don't take my advice seriously. Just some guy on the internet, just trying to make a couple bucks and share my experience. So, that's it for now. Stay tuned next time for probably tomorrow. I'm going to take a look at some of these again and I guess post another video up. Stay tuned for the daily options trade. Thanks for watching.